You are welcome to Mathematics Immunity. Now the topic is perimeter of circles. Now the distance around your circle is called the circumference, and distance around any plane shape is the perimeter. So the perimeter is called circumference. Now your diameter is twice of your radius. This is the center of the circle. So d is 2r and circumference is 2 pi r or pi d. The pi can be 22/7 or 3.142 or 3.14 or 3.1. You must use the value given to you. But if you are not given any value, you make use of 22/7. Examples. Number 1. Calculate the circumference of radius 3.5 meter. Now the circumference is what you are looking for. The radius given to you is 3.5 meter. Use the value of 3 whole number 1/7 for pi. So these are your parameters. So since you are given radius, we make use of 2 pi r. So c is equal to 2 times the pi is 3 whole number 1/7 times radius. This is 2 times, it changes to improper fraction. 7 times 3, 21, plus 1, 22/7, times 2 times 3, that's 6, plus 1, 7/2. 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 771, 771. So circumference is 22 meters. Don't forget your unit. Example 2. A bicycle wheel has a diameter of 65 centimeters. A bicycle wheel is a circle and the diameter of the bicycle is 65 centimeters. During a journey, the wheel makes 1000 complete revolutions. How many meters does the distance travel? Take pi to be 3.14. I want to know the distance covered by the bicycle wheel, and one revolution is the circumference of the circle. So you multiply that with 1000 revolutions to know the distance covered. So since you are given diameter, we make use of pi d for your circumference, and the pi is 3.14 times 65. So c is this. So 3.14 times 65, 5 times 4, 20, 0 carry 2, 5 times 1, 5, plus 2, 7, 5 times 3, 15, 6 times 4, 24, carry 2, 6 times 1, 6, plus 2, 8, 6 times 3, 18. You add everything up, 7 plus 4, 11, carry 1, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 8, 14, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 8, 10, 10, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2. We have the two numbers behind the decimal point, so you count 1, 2. So your circumference is 204.1. The last zero is meaningless, centimeter. Then the distance, 1000 revolutions, 1000 times 204.1. So we have, when you're multiplying, you have 3 zeros of the 1000, you move forward 3 times, 1, 2, 3. So you have 204100 centimeter. You are required to solve it in meters, and 100 centimeter make 1 meter. So your distance covered will now be 204100. You divide by 100 to go to meters. So we have 2041 meters. Example 3. Calculate the perimeter of the shape in figure A. This is figure A. Calculate the perimeter. All lengths are in centimeters and the pi is 22/7. Now perimeter is distance around the shape. This is the shape. That will be 8 plus here plus this semicircle, the circumference or length or perimeter of this small semicircle, plus this 4.5 plus this perimeter you work around the shape. So we need to know here, if you complete this like a rectangle, in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. So if this is 5.6, here will also be 5.6. If here is 8, here will also be 8. So I need to know the diameter of this semicircle. So if here is 8, here is also 8. So D will now be 8 minus 4.5. When you are subtracting this, you have 8.0 minus 4.5. Borrow 1, here remains 7. 10 minus 5 is 5. And 7 minus 4 is 3. So your diameter is 3.5. All dimensions are in centimeters. So, and the big diameter is 5.6 centimeters. So now we need to know this perimeter or circumference of this small semicircle and the big semicircle. So circumference of big or bigger semicircle, that is pi d. That is pi d. And the pi given to us is 22/7, and the diameter is 5.6. 7 in 7 1, 7 in 5 0, 7 in 56 8. So we have 22 times 0.8, 22 times 0.8, 22 times 0.8. 2 times 8, 16, carry 1. 2 times 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 2 times 8, 16, 6 carry 1. 2 times 0, 0 plus 1. So we have 6, 7, and 1. Decimal place is 1, so you have 17.6 centimeter. That is the perimeter of this semicircle. The perimeter of the smaller semicircle, circumference of smaller semicircle, circumference of smaller semicircle. So C will be pi small d, that is 22/7, and diameter now is 3.5. 7 here 1, 7 here 0.7355. So 22 times 0.5. Another way you can do this, you can say 22. 0.5 is half, and 2 here is 11. So we have 11 centimeter. Now the perimeter of shape. Now distance around the shape, so that'll be 8 plus 5.6 plus this semicircle, this perimeter, this length, that is 11 plus 4.5 plus this length, and that is the big semicircle, which is 17.6. So 8 plus 11 plus 5.6 plus 4.5 plus 17.6. So we have 8 plus 11 will give us 19. So plus, now 5.6, we can have 5.6, 4.5, and 17.6. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. Carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 7 carry 1 plus 1, 27.7. 27.7. This can be treated as 19.0. So 27.7 plus 19.0. We have 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. Carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. We have 46.7. The unit is centimeter. Now this is the perimeter of the shape. And how you have practice questions here. You can work on them. These are the perimeters, are the questions. You can work on them. And if you have any comments, you go to the comment box and make your comments. I need feedback from you. And if you have questions you want to send to me that I can help you solve them, this is my email address, alberttoba2020 at gmail.com. alberttoba2020 at gmail.com. You can send questions to me. I'll solve them for you. Thank you.